Hey everybody, welcome into this new video. Let's take a look how we can use the Zendesk application or the website for our business. So if you're totally new, you don't have to worry about that. Let's make a walkthrough step by step of how Zendesk works and how it can help us to boost our company. So Zendesk is a software that can help us with the customer service and create great experience here and grant great experience to our customers. If you want to look for a specific topic from zendesk.com, you can go always there into the website, scroll down until you find the most searched topics. For example, the 5 of the best knowledge management examples. Or what is a sales CRM? Now, in order for you to understand how this Zendesk works and how we can improve our customer service, additionally to add it into our store, into our online store, I'm going to go and select my option that says free trial. So in here, what you want to put is your work email. Next, you have to fill your first, your last name, and all the information above to create your account. And the last step is to bring our company name, our number of employees, what are we solving for. Let's say we want to manage an engine sales leads or custom service requests. I'm going to choose a language for Zendesk side, and I'm going to create a passcode. And I'm going to create a password in order to continue. So I'm going to complete my trial. Now, the only thing we need to do in order to continue is to verify our email as always. Alright, so now we've been redirected into the sign into our company section. So what I want to do is to put in here my email and my passcode once again. So now this has been already redirected me into the get started section. Welcome to the Zendesk suite. So it's going to be taking me into just a few questions in order for understanding what do we need most help with. So for example, have you set up a customer support solution? I'm going to put into no, I'm new into this. When do you plan to release it? Let's say that I want to release that in 3 months and that we will be using 1 out of 3 agents of Zendesk. Now, what are the best ways for the customer to contact you? So in my case, I want to choose the chat section. If you're not sure, there's always the I'm not sure section and go to continue. Now, if you go into the start section, you're going to see that there's the administration center where you can find the bill section, which basically you're going to see all your information about your billing, all your information about your subscriptions. There's also the team management. Our ways to connect with the customers are here into the channels, and you can customize the workspace for different teams, and you can customize the workspace for anyone who's within your team management section in here. The objects and rules, you can see some automations and ticket fields. Also in the apps and integrations, you can add a lot of things for your websites to get more data out of the Zendesk application. And of course, there's a help and support section just in case you need something you can't control. Now, if you focus in here where it says the bill section, I'm going to close this just for a second and I'm going to open this option that says persons. As you can see here, we have the equipment and the team members. I want to go and scroll down until I find the settings section and take a look here where it says user fields. So all the fields in here to get more details about our customers, so we can arrange more fields in the order we want to see them into the profile. So we can add, for example, like a text, a date, a lookup relationship. Let's say, for example, I want to add some maybe drop down and add it here into my display's name. So now for this example, I have this website, Shopify, speaking about an online store. So what I want to do is to add Zendesk to my store so I can add the customer service and see how is this working. So I'm gonna just sign into my Shopify account. If you see the integrations that are available from Zendesk, you can add Salesforce, you can add the event connector for Amazon, EventBridge, and you can add the Shopify view orders and customer data for Shopify and activate web widget in the store. So I'm going to choose to connect my Shopify account inside the Zendesk section. I'm going to install the Shopify into my Zendesk. Now we need to enable this installation. I'm going to go into install application. So it's going to be sending me back into Zendesk to see if my website has been already set it up. So I'm going to go into set up my customer service section. Now here we have the sidebar application for support, For example, this is my website. It's not looking so good after all. I mean, this is just for a example page. So I want to see in this part that there's the customer service section. So I'm going to go back into Zendesk, and here into the apps and integrations, we have the Shopify section. I want to choose the sidebar application. So I want to set this up. Application at the sidebar, refunds and cancellations. I just want to mess with the showcase, the Shopify sidebar, and support. So I'm going to go into save. Now I'm going to reload my website. And as you can see, it's now appearing here, the hi, need any help section. So if I clicked in here, I'm going to see that now it's available, the Zendesk section. Hi there, how can I help you? The name. So now what I want to do is to set up this kind of customer service, because I want to make this a little bit more interesting and specific to my customers. Our chat support. So here into the messenger service, we can embed here on our website and applications and integrate with the most popular social media channels. So that means I can add, let's take a look here how many channels I can add. That means I can customize from Facebook Messenger, Instagram Direct, iOS Line, Slack, Twitter, and WeChat. So if you choose, for example, Instagram Direct is going to be sending you to Instagram. So I'm going to go with continue with Instagram. So you can set up your Instagram. In my case, I won't add Instagram. I'm going to go into the talk and email section. I'm going to go into the bot and automation, and I want to choose the bot section so we can customize here our bots. So let's say, for example, that someone says that the order did not arrive or needs to reset the passcode. So here into talk to a human, you can go into the to edit section. Reset the password, edit intent. You still have access to the email address. So there's an option of yes and no. So let's say you want to add something like a next step here. And if you have like created just an article for the help center, something like that, you can add a variable in here. Just click in there, add the step, select the boot messages, and then select the add variable. You can mess around with the customer support that is been already added into our website. And here we can create the answers that the bot can use to answer some common questions, right? So like this is the standard response. And that's basically what we're doing here, is just making some tests, see how it is working. How many bots do you need to use for your account? How many customer service? How many people in your teamwork you want to add inside your Zendesk? So, and we just saw just like the very basic part of the Zendesk. There's a bunch of integrations, there's a bunch of applications that you can use to try to optimize your website, try to optimize your customer service. There are a lot of apps integration. If you want to take a look by yourselves into the applications of Zendesk. So there you have it, guys. I'm gonna leave you a link down below in the description, guys, so you can get your 14 free day trial of this Zendesk website, and you can start using, creating, and designing your own customer service and see if this great tool can fit into your business. So hopefully this was a very useful video for you. If you find this video valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully, guys, I'll see you next time.